Hi guys, good evening. This is your Nifty guy. Let's start with today's video. So we'll start off with what we had analyzed yesterday against what happened today in the market. So we had our analysis was that we'll be going long only above this zone, and short can be created below yesterday's low, which was marked by this red line with a pullback. Now for intraday trades, market opened slightly gap up, filled the gap immediately, almost immediately, went sideways, broke the low. Now, many people would be interested in jumping and taking trades over here, but what I tell is to take breakouts and breakdowns always with a pullback. That might leave you with lower profit sometimes, but most of the times it will save your ass. Trust me on that. So it is a virtue or maybe a trading quality to see breakouts and breakdowns happening and still not take a trade, but wait for the proper setups to form. And as I said, patience is a key factor in evaluating how you would be performing in the stock markets for a longer period of time. So yeah, I waited for this particular pullback. Although my view was right in the market, I shorted as soon as this low was taken out, but I got stopped out somewhere around here. Now, why did I hold the position up until here is another key thing that defines how I trade. So because I entered over here, I'll just put the spot position for you guys. I entered over here. I entered over here on this red candle at the break of this particular swing low. Now my SL was placed right above this particular swing. The right, the market in the next candle gave me some profits, reversed immediately. I was almost at cost, but I did not exit my trade because this is something which I believe in that how do you define an SL? For me, SL does not mean a particular fixed amount monetary wise or point wise, but since I'm a price action trader, a stop loss would mean where I go wrong, where my view goes wrong. So since I had shorted the market, my view would go wrong once this particular swing high gets taken out, which was not the case in till this particular point. The market then again came down. I'll just remove the tool over here. So market then again came down here, and somewhere around here when this swing high was taken out, I took a small stop loss. But then market again came back in my favor, and I would have been in position. But no, I am very quick in taking my stop losses. And again, not even I'll keep my stop loss at a logical point, and I'll try to take them only at those points and not get scared by these moves here. So these are some market manipulations wherein even though your view would be right, you would be in the right direction, but because of these small manipulations, you will be taking an SL. Now, from today onwards, what I'll also do is I'll also tell you about the trades that I have taken, not exactly the strike price or what quantities or what profits or loss did I do, but exactly what was the logic behind the long short that I took and how did they perform. So this was the trade here, with a short trade that I took here, took an SL somewhere around here. Now, after this particular trade, I did not create any short positions because uh, there's only one indicator that you'll always see on my chart, and that is the RSI. So if you see, observe the after that the price was making new lower highs and lower lows, but there was a clear divergence on a 5 minutes chart. If you go down to the 15 minutes chart, there was a clear divergence on 15 minutes chart. So I became cautious on the short side. And as soon as this high was taken out, after this small pullback candle, I scalped in Nifty calls over here. Got out somewhere over here. As I say, I am very quick in taking my booking my profits once I get a good momentum. And this momentum was immediately after I entered. So I exited somewhere around in this first red candle that started forming. And that was it. End of the trades for me for today. Now let's plan for tomorrow, next week. So we'll start with the weekly time frame. Let me just remove all drawings. Weekly time frame again, the market as we know is in a bearish downtrend. RSI is kind of holding the 40 levels. On a daily, if you see, there is a small RSI positive divergence. Now, well, while I'm telling you all this is, I am not too keen on taking any more further shorts right now. The reason being, again, RSI being one of my constant things that I use, there's a divergence, positive divergence being formed on almost all time frames. You go to the 75 minutes time frame, you will see positive RSI divergence. On an hourly time frame, you will see a positive divergence. On a daily, there's a slight positive divergence, which is still open-ended, but yeah, it's definitely there. On a 15 minutes, as I told you, there was divergence. We could see this up move. So right now, what I believe is market should take a halt here, take a support from around 22,750 to 800 zone, and go sideways for quite some time, form a base before it starts to go up. In case if the market has to go down, I'll wait for some further positive, negative price action and not immediately jump into shorts once this level is taken out. So this is a very, very important support level for Nifty. And looking at all the divergence in the price action and the evidences which are there, that's it. So for Monday, let us just remove this particular thing. I would suggest let the price action develop, let the price cross these levels first, and then we'll make a trade plan in case shorts. If you guys are interested and you can take quick SLs or maybe make quick profits like me, take quick profits. So you can scalp definitely on the shorter side, but then I will not be too keen on entering short trades right now. I'll wait for some further price action confirmation for the same. So yeah, it's time to be cautious again. And if just one more thing, this trend line on which we took a long trade yesterday of the breakout, if we just extend this a little bit, you can see the price has not breached this trend line. It has taken support or retested this particular trend line again, and I believe that price can go a little higher. What we can also do so because this is the zone that we had marked, which was from the top to bottom, and this was the point 0.5 to 0.618 zone for a fib. What we can also do is to initiate a long position. We can create this, and we can also create a long on Monday above this zone. Yeah, we don't need the fib tool anymore. So let's keep this plan very, very simple. This is the trade plan for Monday. I am not interested in shorts right now. The markets are oversold, and yeah. So what will happen with if you keep on watching my videos regularly is you'll understand how I look at price action and what are the things or factors that I look at while trading those, and that might help in improving your overall trading psyche and how you hold trades or how you quit your losers or how you take those assets quickly or how you change your stance easily. So my plan was yesterday at the break of previous day's low to take a short position, but as soon as I saw those divergences on multiple time frames, I decided to not look at shorts and just look at long opportunities. And as soon as and even when taking a long in the falling market, I did not go long at this place. Divergence was here as well. I did not go long at this place. I went long over here. The reason was I waited for the structure to change. So I waited for a higher low. If you watch it closely over here, this last swing was not broken over here, saved by a few points. And then I waited for a higher high. Since this higher high was created, a last attempt from sellers here, and as soon as the high of this red candle was taken out, I entered longs. This was a very high probable trade, and anyone who would have taken it would have known. And anyone who has been in the markets for long and is a price action trader must have reaped benefits out of this. So this is something that I should keep and watch out for next time this happens. Prices do repeat themselves again and again, and that is what you should be. You should train your eyes to spot those things while in live market. So that's it from my side for today. Uh, I'll see you guys on Monday post the market. I hope you guys have a good weekend. And yeah, if you like the content that I'm posting, I'm very new over here, old in trading, but new in creating videos for you guys on YouTube. So if you like it, uh, do subscribe to my channel. like the videos, and sincere request would be to put down uh, whatever you feel about the videos in the comments. In case if you want to change something or you want me to add something, you can write that down as well. In case your view differs from mine, that is most welcome as well. And yeah, let's keep it a healthy discussion and we can take it right from there. So cheers to that, guys. I hope to see you guys on Monday. Thank you.